Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful. My beloved brothers and sisters, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. My beloved brothers and sisters, today I have very interesting and very important topic. The topic name is unity, and as well as I will talk about NATO. First of all, I would like to ask you, do you know the power of unity? My beloved brothers and sisters, I will tell you today because there are many benefits of unity. And as well as I want to ask you, do you know about NATO? What is this? Let me know in the comment box, please, because I want to enhance my knowledge. I need your support, and you can suggest me about any knowledge about any topic. So, ladies and gentlemen, I hope you will watch complete this video because I will try to make you understand about this word. Let's start. My beloved brothers and sisters, first of all, I would like to present the full form of NATO because when I will present example of NATO, you can understand the power of unity. That's why I want to present the power of NATO. Full form of NATO, North Atlantic Treaty Organization. Do you know what is this? Let me tell you. It is a group of many countries. If one country is attacked, all other countries will help in difficulties, in difficult times, in difficult situation. This show real unity because they trust each other and stand together in difficulties, in difficult times. I want to tell you there are 32 countries in the NATO groups. So we can understand the power of unity from NATO. My beloved brothers and sisters, that's why I want to tell you the power of unity. In our daily life, we need unity. And we should have unity. And we should be united. Because if you have unity, you can change your environment, you can change your life, you can change your surroundings. My beloved brothers and sisters, if you have unity, you are powerful, you are fearless. If you have unity, you can achieve anything. If you have unity, you are a strong person. If you have unity, you can defeat anyone. If you have unity, your voice become powerful. With the help of unity, nothing is impossible. My beloved brothers and sisters, as far as I know about the power of unity, if you have unity, you can raise voice for underestimate, underprivileged, and poor people and needy people. And you can raise voice for your rights. And you can take decision on right time. My beloved, If you want to do something for our nation, for our country, for our mulk, first you should have unity. No unity, no success. No unity, no progress. No unity, no power. No unity, and no unity, no voice. No unity, no future. My beloved brothers and sisters, if you don't have unity, you can't change anything. You can't achieve anything. You can't raise voice for yourself. You can't protect yourself nowadays if you don't have unity. So first of all, I would like to request, please focus unity. We need unity, and our India needs unity. In the last, I want to tell you, please focus unity, and I would like to say thank you for kind attention. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you will give me suggestion in the comment box. I will wait for your suggestion. And if you know about NATO, you can tell me in the comment box, because I want to enhance my knowledge. Thank you.